Hey guys, this is Railroad Sniper with the third tool video. It's on the Pittsburgh 26-piece screwdriver set, number 96733. Even though it's backwards and you can't really tell. So, as you saw in the Tecton video, the screwdriver, it's got pretty coarse mechanism there. Sometimes it skips gears, skips teeth, or like if you have it off angle, it jams up. I think I may have messed it up at some point, but and then it's got the lockout. This thing's got to be like a really low tooth count, like maybe 36 or something like that. Definitely not a high tooth count. And it takes a decent amount of force to turn. It is magnetic though, so that's a benefit. At least magnetic enough to hold the bits in. So let's see. We'll go through the bits. This one here is a Phillips number 0. The next one is a Posi drive number 1, which, like I said in the Tecton video, let me see if I can show you on the camera. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna focus. Hold on, try one more time. It's just not doing anyway. It's got these little extra ridges in between the normal like Phillips type flats, I guess you'd call splines, something. And some fasteners have an accommodation for that. It looks like kind of like a star with 4 long points and 4 short points, 8-pointed star. Also, Phillips number 1, a Posi drive number 2. Maybe since it's bigger, it'll focus better. Nope. Hold on. Nah, it's just not gonna do. You might be able to see it a little bit. I don't know. Next up is the Phillips number 3. The Phillips number. There's 2 Phillips number 3s apparently, so I guess they figure you might break one or something. You have a spare. And then we have Posi drive number 3. So that's that. Oh, sorry, actually. There's not 2 PH3s. I just counted one twice. Alright, for the slotted or flathead screwdriver bits, there is a number 3. Pretty thin. There is a number 4. A number... It's really worn down. I think it says number 5. Number 6. And let's see if it's number 7. Yep, number 7. Alright, for the Torx, we have a T10. A T15. A T20. Let's see if it's T25. Yep, T25. T27. And finally, a T30, yes, T30. So it's a decent range, you know, for all those bits, you know, they're pretty common. Just around the house work, maybe some minor like mechanic stuff. I don't know. Probably can't get a ton done, but a decent amount, especially around the house. Like that's probably what this kit was made for. Or putting things together, you know, like computers, some bigger computer stuff maybe. Anyway, so there's also these little sockets in here. Socket bits. There's a 5mm, a 6mm, a 7mm, and then it jumps up to a 9mm, but there's an empty spot in the tool thing, so I must have lost my 8mm, I believe. And then there's that 10mm, you know, can't lose that one. So you can do some minor work with this probably, but like I said in the video, I like the Tecton much more for the larger bits and the ratcheting screwdriver aspect. It's just much nicer. Like definitely, I like the handle on this one pretty good. It's got a little groove you can stick a screwdriver or a pole through and wrench it down. But in the grip, it's got these little nubs on it. Those things are pretty decent. Let's see if you can see it. You can probably see it when I rotate it around. Right there. However, I mean, it's got these little flats here where your fingers can grip. That's about it. I mean, there's got a little Velcro. All the stuff is chrome vanadium, so that's got to count for something, you know. But I don't use it a whole lot anymore unless I like want to beat on something and don't want to mess my new one up as much. But even then, I really just stick to my new one. Like, it stands up really good, and it's way higher quality. So, see y'all guys next time. Thanks for watching. Got a few torque wrenches maybe I could go over. Impact driver, impact wrench, breaker bar, some pliers, hammer, rubber mallet, tape measure. Let's see. Vice grips. So that'll be for a future video. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time.